Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore one of the most popular and updated health insurance plans, the Care Supreme Plan. Whether you're looking for solid health coverage for yourself or your entire family, this plan offers some impressive features. Top highlights of this plan: up to 600% increase in total coverage, unlimited automatic recharge, whether it's a related or unrelated illness, up to 30% discount on renewal through wellness points, ambulance covers up to 100% of sum insured, unlimited e-consultation with general physicians, pay premium based on your city of residence. Sounds great, right? Now let's look at who's eligible for this plan. Eligibility criteria: minimum entry age. For adults, minimum 18 years. For children, minimum 90 days. Maximum entry age. For adults, lifelong. For children, up to 24 years. Exit age: adults, lifelong. Children, up to 25 years. Sum insured and tenure options. Sum insured options: 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs. Policy tenure: 1, 2 and 3 years. Premium payment: single. Cover type: individual and floater. Covered members: self, spouse, children, parents, parents-in-law and even grandparents. Benefits: unlimited automatic recharge. This insurance policy offers unlimited automatic recharge. This means your sum insured gets recharged automatically unlimited times, whether the illness is related or unrelated. Unlimited e-consultation. You can consult general physicians anytime through this plan with no limits, no restrictions and no extra charges, just health advice when you need it. Health services access. This plan also gives you access to a smart health portal including Doctor on Chat, healthy tips and reminders, and what's more, discount connected, which means you get discounts on various services like consultations, diagnostics, maternity care and more within the network. Cumulative bonus: you can earn 50% of your sum insured every year without a claim up to a maximum of 100%. And the best part? It doesn't reduce even if you make a claim. Optional benefits: cumulative bonus, super, up to 100% of sum insured per year, maximum up to 500% of sum insured, shall not be reduced in case of claim. Annual health checkup. One health checkup included for all insured members. Air ambulance. Care Supreme Plan offers air ambulance cover up to 5 lakh rupees per year. Discount on wellness benefits. You can enjoy special discounts on various health and wellness services by staying engaged and active. A healthy lifestyle really pays off. Coverage includes inpatient hospitalization, daycare treatments, advanced technology methods, pre- and post-hospitalization medical expenses, Ayush treatments, domiciliary hospitalization, organ donor cover, road ambulance, room rent and ICU charges. Exclusions: the plan does not cover maternity expenses, sterility or infertility, self-inflicted injuries, artificial life support, external congenital anomalies, alcohol or drug-related treatments, adventure or hazardous sports injuries, cosmetic or obesity-related procedures, hormone replacement therapy. Waiting periods: initial waiting period 30 days, pre-existing diseases 4 years, specific diseases 2 years. Health is wealth, and with the Care Supreme Plan, you're not just protecting yourself, you're securing peace of mind for your entire family. If you're considering a health insurance plan with extensive benefits, this could be the one for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this info. And of course, subscribe for more updates on insurance, investments, and financial wellness. For a free consultation, contact us today.